So good evening. Today we are going to see about necessity for valuation. Why valuation is required? It is based on some small reasons that you guys itself know, but in technically how it is, why it is necessary. The first one is buying or selling property. When it is required to buy or sell a property, we need to value how much cost it will go, how much cost it is recommended, those things and all. Next one is taxation. To access the tax of a property, the valuation of the land is very required because taxes may be municipal tax, wealth tax, property tax, etc. And then rent function. So in order to determine the rent of the property, the valuation is required. For example, rent is usually fixed on the certain percentage of the amount of valuation, which is 6% to 10% of valuation. Let us see if we are seeing a house for rental. So if it is in a main urban area, the rental value is much high. Whereas if it is in some rural area, the rental value is little bit lower than the rental value in urban area. So that is the valuation, right? Next one is security of loans or mortgage. When loans are taken against the security of the property, valuation is required. Next, compulsory acquisition. Whenever a property is acquired by law, compensation is paid to the owner. Determine the amount of compensation, valuation of the property is required. That is, valuation of the property is also required for insurance, betterment charges, and cap speculations. That is what means compulsory acquisition. Nothing but if some houses or some lands are in the highway area, which is to be owned by the government, but knowingly or unknowingly, the owners of the houses or owners of those properties will be have built some properties there. So in order to extend the road, those land has to be reoccupied by the government. So in such cases, the government needs to give some amount to that particular owners. This will based on the valuation. Can you get my point? Thank you.